Well, joining me on Hogs Vlog is Akash Chopra. Thanks very much for joining me.
Thanks for having me, buddy.
And we're talking about leg spin bowling in the IPL, and let's get on to it on the other side. Now, Akash,
Yes.
best leg spinners that you've seen in the IPL from a batting perspective.
There are lots of them, Huggy. In fact, I say that IPL, L stands for leg spin and not for the league. Because every team has a leg spinner and all of them are fairly successful. In fact, they're runaway successes, some of them. So if we were to start rating them, I'll have to go to Rashid Khan first. He is absolutely sensational. He is that bowler who converts the game into a 16-over event because his 4 overs are like a bank. He also picks up wickets. 3 years, 4 years into the IPL and still people are struggling to read his googlies. He's flatter in the air, he bowls that nagging length, nagging line, and he's extremely successful. So Rashid Khan, in my opinion, will top the list. What's yours?
Well, I totally agree with you. But as a batsman, how would you play Rashid Khan to try and get him off his game?
So personally, firstly, I won't come out. I'll send somebody else.
Yep.
That's a good plan, a good game plan. But then play for the googly, play for the ones that's coming in. So try and play him down the ground and towards mid-wicket instead of going inside out and try to play through the offside. Most of the successful players against Rashid Khan and Robin Uthappa one season actually got the better of him. And he did that only by hitting straight down the ground over his head or long on or mid-wicket and nothing towards that covers region, and therefore was successful. Don't try to sweep him. He's too fast in the air for you to sweep. Play it with the straight bat, but play in the onside direction and not in the offside direction.
Now we'll go to another spinner, Chahal from Bangalore.
Correct.
Why is he so good on that particular wicket in Bangalore? Because it's not conducive to spin and there's small boundaries.
He'll be good everywhere. I strongly believe that he's someone who's a wicket taker to begin with. So he doesn't bowl those defensive lines, defensive lengths. He doesn't go flat in the air because he understands that it's a small ground. The only way to survive is to dismiss the batsman. If he's there in the middle, he's going to tear you apart. So what makes him special is the fact that he does not bowl in the line of the bat swing. He'll make the ball drift a little, will bowl slightly on the leg side and then turn the ball from there. So he'll find that blind spot outside the right-hander's leg stump, or he'll go really wide outside off and even then bowl slow and wide and take the ball away with the covers and long off, waiting for that big hit. And most batsmen try to go in mid-wicket long on region, and he asks them, forces them to get out of their comfort zone and play with the spin, even though with the spin should be easier. But a lot of big hitters, they rather go against the spin and go mid-wicket or long on and not with the spin through covers or mid-off, and that's where he gets a lot of wickets. So he's a smart bowler.
Yeah, well, Chahal is probably my favourite Indian leg spinners. But then we go to Chahal, the taller leg spinner.
Yeah.
What's the difference between facing him and the smaller spinner?
Well, smaller spinner will always get that natural loop where the ball dips on the batsman. But then I don't mind the taller spinners either, because when you think about the IPL, the taller spinners, even though they're not bowling very fast, the trajectory is very flat. Automatically flat, and it doesn't allow you to get just dancing down the pitch and get to the pitch of the ball. So that's what makes them special. And all these guys, whether it's Chahal or Mayank Markande or Sandeep Lamichhane, all these leg spinners now, they bowl, or Shreyas Gopal actually, they just bowl within the stumps. Imran Tahir, one guy we actually forgot. So all these guys keep within the stumps. They bowl more googlies, they bowl a flatter trajectory, and therefore are very successful. So there is some difference between a shorter spinner and a taller spinner, but if you're a leg spinner and if you're accurate, 9 out of 10 times you'll be successful.
I totally agree with you. And the other secret that Chahal does, if someone's on top of him with the sweep shot, he's prepared to go wider as well, and that's what makes a good leg spinner reading the play. Would you agree?
Agree, 100%. He's a very smart cookie. In fact, he used to play chess before he started playing cricket. And that, therefore, I think he just foxes the batsman with his mind. He's brilliant.
That was my mistake.
Watch this one.
That was my mistake. And what about Kuldeep Yadav? Do you think he's dropped off a bit over the last couple of months?
He has, and for a good reason. One, he's slow in the air. Two, he plays on a surface that doesn't assist spin. So in Kolkata, the new pitch is one that's suited for faster bowlers more. and he needs some assistance from the surface. And since he's so slow, people have started figuring out a little more. If you start reading it from the hand, then there is no mystery. So even though you are left arm leg spinner, but the fact is, when people start reading it from the hand, and if you don't have more arrows in your quiver, you will eventually fight, or rather struggle, and that's what has happened with him last season.
And there's one young leg spinner coming through from the under-19s in
Yep.
the IPL. What's his name again?
Ravi Bishnoi is the guy. He'll be with the Kings 11 Punjab. Will he get to play? We don't know. They do have Murugan Ashwin. They have Krishnappa Gautam as well. So they do have, and Mujibur Rahman. So once they have these many spinners, he may get not too many games, but then he's good. He bowls a very good googly, flatter in the air, very accurate for a leg spinner, doesn't bowl long hops or full tosses. Ravi Bishnoi, watch out for that kid.
Yeah, but he doesn't turn his leg spinner because
Not
he
much.
bowls too high. That's something
much.
that he's got to look at. So we've talked about the leg spinners with Akash, the best leg spinners in the IPL. Make sure you go and follow Akash Chopra's YouTube channel. He's also on Facebook as well. But if you like what I'm doing, get on that little button down there, and that will give you a notification when the next video is coming out. But enjoy your cricket and enjoy the IPL. It's going to be an absolute belter.